Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuits. Ingredients: 4 cups baking mix, 3 ounces cheddar cheese, shredded, 1 1/3 cups water, ½ cup melted butter, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/8 teaspoon onion powder, 1/8 teaspoon dried parsley. Directions: preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Combine the baking mix, cheese, and water in a bowl. Keep mixing until you form a dough. Scoop out dough balls and place onto the lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Combine the melted butter, onion powder, garlic powder, parsley, and salt. Brush over the biscuits immediately after removing from oven.